Hello everyone. Happy sunny Sunday. Well, it's not sunny, but it is Sunday. Crazy stuff. So, what's happening? What's happening at Shelter Garage? What am I doing today? What I am doing is in the process of putting together the lampposts that are going to go on the outside perimeter. There's one so far starting and doing the wiring. I soldered them up, put some hot glue so it stands up erect. And then what I'm using for the wires for these lampposts is Ethernet cable. There's no wired Ethernet. It's the computer cable that's used to connect to the internet and or Ethernet or LAN. I think LAN is the correct word. And I've stripped off some of the wires. I'm going to use the jacket and spray it with some soft iron metallic paint that I found at Kitty Home. And did a little test on it. My vision is to have, I'm going to paint the blue over with that silver and then run them across each section of the lamppost, and we'll see how she looks. It's pretty good. Let's see. Got to do a little bit of cleaning up in the top layer, but that's all lit up and working fine. So yeah, we'll get to work.